today I will be unboxing the new iPad Pro M2 chip. Okay, let's open it up. I feel like it's going to slip right out the moment I open it. Hello everybody, welcome back to the HUBient channel. My name is Nikki and I'm so glad that you clicked on this video today. I'm so glad that I met you here today. Hello everybody, welcome back to the HUBient channel. My name is Nikki and I'm so glad that you clicked on this video today. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail of this video, today I will be unboxing the new iPad Pro M2 chip. This came out today as of filming. I don't know when this video is going to be up, but today is the 27th. Well, technically it's the 27th because it's past midnight. But this came out today, October 26th. So I really waited for this and I'm super excited to open it up. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. But before I open it up for you guys, let me know if you use a tablet. And if you do use a tablet, which one do you recommend to other people watching this video? I honestly genuinely recommend Apple, but that's mainly because it's the only what I've ever used. I've only ever used Apple iPads. I haven't tried other tablets. So maybe my recommendation is just purely one-sided, biased, you could say, but I generally I've gotten used to the iPad, and I think once you get used to the iPad as well, it's just you can't go anywhere else. But again, let me know in the comments down below, and while you're down there, I hope you don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the HUBient channel, and ring that bell so you're notified every time we upload a brand new video. Alright, so I got the space gray color. I got the 512 gigabytes. I decided to just get a bigger memory because if it's gonna last me that long, might as well have a lot of memory. But 512 because I like to shoot my videos in 4K, 12.9 inch USB-C charge cable. Okay, let's open it up. I love unboxing Apple products. I feel like it's going to slip right out the moment I open it. Ta-da! So I was really surprised when I carried this. And it just feels like a toy. It's really light. Always a struggle. Always a struggle. In the box comes the standard manuals that I don't think anyone ever reads. Apple stickers. And in the box comes a power adapter, a USB-C adapter, and ooh, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and it's braided. It's not the typical Apple cables that are these are the ones that came with my AirPods, where it's plastic. What's this, plastic? This is braided, so see the difference in texture? That's really cool. However, I know for a fact this is gonna get dirty really easily because of the fabric, but you know, I'll take it. I feel like maybe braided cables are a bit sturdier. But yeah, let's quickly open my Apple Pencil and then we'll turn on the iPad. So I do already have an Apple Pencil. I have the first gen Apple Pencil, again with the first gen iPad Pro. I wanted the second gen mainly because if I were to use my first gen Apple Pencil with my new iPad, I would still have to purchase the dongle, I guess you could say. I don't even know what it is, but it's this adapter that you connect onto the pencil and then you connect it to a cord to your iPad. And it's just really inconvenient, and it's not as if you can use the pencil that way. You can't use it while it's connected to the iPad, so it's, I don't know, I decided to get this one, the second gen Apple Pencil. Yeah, let's open it. This I'm surprised has plastic because like the iPad one doesn't. What is the difference? I guess this one's just it charges magnetically and not via lightning. I'm assuming. Do I just pull? Oh, I just pull. Designed by Apple in California. Ta-da! Ooh, ooh! I like this one. It's like, it's matte. Because my first gen one, it's shiny, it's kind of slippery. This has more grip. Oh, I like this a lot. So it has that flat side pencil. That flat side, and then the rest is like rounded. I was gonna get one like with engravings on it, but I'm impatient. Let's turn on the iPad. It really is so light. Let's hold. Hello. Quick start. Let's set it up manually because I do want to set this up like fresh. Set up manually. Okay, currently setting up Face ID. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Hello. First Face ID scan complete. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Face ID is set up. It's so different because it's in keyboard. I memorized. Okay, so I have a passcode on my iPad. Welcome to iPad. I had to input my data, and I got a notification on my watch that told me that I have a new device, and it sent a code and everything, and that's all done. Welcome to iPad. Get started. Here we go. It's so pretty. I love it. There's some. This is not how I'm gonna keep it. I'm definitely gonna tidy it up the way I wanted to. Ooh, Stage Manager, which is what I really wanted. Ah, yes, Stage Manager, which is right here. Oh, software update required? Okay, I guess I'll update it. Not now. Let's quickly connect my Apple Pencil to this part right here, which is the magnetic part. And pray for the best. Oh. Yeah! Pencil! Welcome to Apple Pencil. Create a quick note, scribble, switch tools with gesture, and easily capture screenshot. Cool. Continue. Try scribble. Oh, I love scribble. It's probably one of my favorite functions. Or basically, I'm gonna sit like this. I write using my Apple Pencil, and it turns out as text. So if I write hello, even in cursive, it comes out. I love it so much. I already know all these. Explore, double tap. Double tap your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and an eraser. Hello. Okay, and then I'm gonna double tap and just, what? Okay, that's it. What? Double tap? That's gonna be so fun for GoodNotes if it works on GoodNotes, because it's what I'm using for work. But yeah, I am quite chuffed with that, proper chuffed. I'm really happy about this. How nice is the camera? Would I say it's as good as my iPhone? I don't think so. But it's a very big screen and the Leo in me loves it. But yeah, that was my iPad unboxing. Sorry for the light. I'm really happy with this already. I can't wait to start using it. Maybe in about a month or a few weeks from now, I'll give another like video about this, just a general like how I feel about it after a month of use, whether or not I think it's worth it. As someone who, my last iPad was first gen iPad Pro, I already feel it's such a huge upgrade, but maybe if you already had like the M1 iPad Pro, it's not that big a deal. But let me know in the comments down below what you think of this gorgeous iPad. Like, It's bigger than my head. I love it. I'm probably gonna drop it. Good thing I got a warranty. I got Apple Care. Just in case. Knowing me and how clumsy I am. But yeah, let me know what you think of the new iPad Pro. It's not that new visually. The only thing that's new essentially is we should try out the hover thing. Why no. I know that not now. I know that the new iPad, hello, maybe I have to update the OS. Sucks. But I heard that the new iPad Pro does like this hover thing with the Apple Pencil. Again, I'm gonna have to test that out, see if that's actually something I use. But yeah, let me know what you think about the new iPad Pro M2 chip. It's really pretty and it's already dusty. I'm gonna have to buy a case. Let me know what case I should get in the comments down below, and while you're down there, I hope you don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the HUBient channel, and ring that bell so you're notified every time we upload a brand new video. Again, my name is Nikki and I'm so glad that I met you here today. Until the next video, bye!